guys, welcome back to my channel. Di here from the Messy Palette. I'm going to do a little bit more in this lap book. Oh, we've got a light flashing. Are we going to get into this, or am I going to have to change the light bulb? Okay, so I have sewn the signature and I have put it on an elastic, and so we have the signature, the flip up with a little pocket. I'm going to put a little tab on this one, I think. Little pocket with a tag. Yep, need to put a tab on that. It's actually a tuck spot as well, so something can get tucked in there. Same as here, that's another tuck spot. I've put the gem, let's go up a little bit here. I've put the gem on the trim there on the flower. So that flips over. I've just put an envelope in here. I've just given a little bit of bling. This is completely fold out as a writing spot, and I've made this pocket. So it's a full length pocket. It's got your concertina hinges here, and it's got a flap, so I'm going to stick it in here and we'll stick it on there, and it will hinge and all fit in that side together. May put a pocket on the back here yet, so let's figure out a closure and decorate this. So just thinking, should I put a pocket on the back here or a writing spot? And what sort of closure am I going to have? Let's have a look what papers we've got somewhere. Oh. I think I like this bit, so I can go on the front here. So let's cut the width first. A little bit of border. Now I can't find my scribble. Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's cut the top bit first. I'm going to cut that here. too wide now. A little, I'm going to have to trim some off that. And let's just take a little bit off this. Okay. So I think I'll try a magnet or a swing tab here. I think I'm going to put a swing tab. So, what sort of swing tab? Let's have a look at these bits. What have we got? It's not going to work. Might have a look in broken jewellery and see if we've got a nice gem. That might be alright. A pair of earrings here. That might make a nice swing tab, but we may have to put it down here. I like it. I like it a lot. So let's glue this down. Oop, wrong one. Where's my glue gone? Oh, now the dog's going to bark. It'll be hubby coming home from his call out. Let's ink this first. So the envelope is just a piece of card that I put a 1/4 inch gusset in for the fold over flap, and I folded up a 1/2 inch at the bottom. I've glued this on the top, and I've used a 6 scored piece of 1/2 inch each score 6 times, folded in the concertina. I've left a 1/2 inch on the side for the flap to attach it to so I've cut it out. I've cut the bottom part of this piece off, and then glued the front piece on. So this is all one piece, and it goes up to up to about here. So that's all one piece. Anyway, let's ink this. Oh, that was dumb. That was really dumb. Oh well. We will fix it in a minute. Put that that's about the center. The mess on my desk at the moment is shocking. Now where's my pokey tool? Let's get a bread. Will that go through? No! Bugger. Oh, hang on. Might go through here. Yes. Okay. Excuse my nail polish. My granddaughter thought I needed pink nail polish, but it doesn't work when you're scrubbing pots. It doesn't stay pretty for very long. Let's just put some washi over that. Find the end. Find one that I could find the end of. That's not very sticky washi. Alrighty. That works. Beautiful. So we had a car show and shine and a cruise on the Esplanade this morning, which was great because it's been really hot, so that little sea breeze was really nice. It's good to catch up with all our hot rodder friends. Alrighty, that's our pocket.